This is Filling Dotty Stencil from Altenew. This stencil measures 6 inch by 6 inch, perfect for any A2 size cards, journal pages, scrapbook layouts, or mixed media arts. This stencil will help you create a fun polka dot background on various projects. You can easily add patterns using Altenew's Krista inks or metallic shimmer ink sprays. Once done using the stencil, simply clean it using baby wipes, stem cleaner, or mild soap and water. Store them flat and away from direct heat or sunlight. All of Altenew stencils are high quality, manufactured right here in the USA. To find out more about the Filling Dotty stencil and its featured projects, please visit us at altenew.com.